Hi, hello, good evening, friends. Welcome to Art of Trading. I'm Kumar here. We'll go check the Nifty key level for tomorrow, that is 16th September, Wednesday. So, before that, as usual, we'll go check the performance of my Nifty video, which I had posted yesterday, my prediction video. So, as you can see, this is the screenshot of that video. So, I had given just two levels, that is Nifty buy above 11,430, target up to 11,500 and 11,550. And again, on the sell side, I had given Nifty buy sell below 11,400 for the target up to 11,350 and 11,310. Now we'll check what happened with Nifty today in the live. So as you can see here, Nifty opened around 11,472. Yesterday it closed around 11,450. So almost 30 points gap up. Nifty opened today. So as you can see, Nifty opened here 30 points above the point, and as I told you to buy, this is the very good support. Yesterday I told you 11,430, right? So I had given buy above 11,430, and you can see that Nifty opened above 11,470. Okay, 11,470, and you can see here it made a low again 11,450. So above 11,430, 11,450 was a good buy for Nifty. As you can see, it was trading in this range for almost half the day. As you can see, in this range almost half the day. Once it broke this, it made, one second, uh, it made 11,530 was the high, I think. Okay, so the high made was 11,540. So my first target was 11,500 and 11,550. So both the target was achieved finally on the buy side. So as you can see how important the levels would be. So yesterday I told you clearly that this level is very important. So for 11,430 and 11,550, so these both this level, and see what happened on 11,430, the Nifty started reversing, and again today also Nifty couldn't cross 11,550 mark. As you can see, 11,547. So 11,550, 560, 570 mark, there is a strong resistance for Nifty. So let's see what will happen today. It was a good buy on Nifty, and a very good profit on the buy side today. So let's check for the levels for tomorrow, that is of 16th September. As you can see, there are multiple levels for Nifty tomorrow. That is on buy side I have given two levels, that is, as you can see, above 11,590. Why above 11,590? Because this area, as you can see here, this area has lot of resistance over here, lot of resistance over here, this area. So Nifty has to cross this level. It is very difficult Nifty to cross this level. Either it has to break that level with a huge volume, okay, or else tomorrow it has to open gap up above 11,550, 560. So let's check out tomorrow what will happen with Nifty. So my prediction on Nifty is, if Nifty opens gap up or trades above 11,560, 580, 590, you can buy Nifty up to 11,680. Okay, so almost 100 points on the buy side. Okay, and what about the sell side? Sell side on the same area. Let's say Nifty opened gap up around 30-40 points, and it was trading around 11,550, 560, 570 range, and you have to wait here for some confirmations whether it is going to break on the upper side or on the lower side. Watch out, because if it is trading on this level tomorrow without any gap up or without any gap up and gap up, it is difficult Nifty to trade above 11,580, 590. So it may reverse from this. So that's why I've given Nifty sell below 11,560. Okay, if Nifty starts reversing from 11,560, you can short Nifty up to a target of 11,480. Okay. Okay. So, and there is one more buy level I have given in case Nifty has had a gap down tomorrow. Okay, let's say today it closed around 11,540. So it had a gap down 30-40 points or 50 points or 60 points, and again Nifty starts trading near this 11,450 mark. Okay, so because this is a very crucial dynamic support, if it's again it comes and trades near this level 11,450 level, and wait for the price action confirmations. If you find any very good price action confirmation with very good volume, you can buy again Nifty around 11,450 up to a target of 11,550. Again another 500 100 points on the buy side. So there are two buy levels, that is above 11,590 and below 11,450. Okay, and in worst case, if Nifty tomorrow it was very negative and it broke the 11,450 mark, let's say this, you can sell, you can short Nifty again below 11,430 for a target of 11,360 or 350 up to this mark. So you can see this is how one has to trade. One has to wait till your market structure, one has to wait till your dynamic supports and dynamic resistance levels. You have to wait the price to come to that level, then only with some confirmation you have to go and trade. Okay, so don't go and trade in middle of the trade, you shouldn't do all such things. So this is how one experienced traders will do. So you have to wait until the price reaches your level, and with any some confirmations and with a very good tight stop loss, you can enter the trade. Okay, so hope this information is will be helpful for you to trade Nifty tomorrow, and hope you will be profitable from this. So as usual, as I say, friends out there who want to learn my strategy, you can join my paid classes which I conduct every weekends. For more details, you can contact me or you can WhatsApp me. And friends who want to join my Telegram channel and who want to see all such kind of strategies over there, my calls over there, my accuracy, you can check my accuracy and the calls screenshots which I upload over there. So it is also a good learning platform. So because it's almost from 2 years I've given more than hundreds of calls over there. Okay, you can join my Telegram channel, and for more videos you can subscribe my YouTube channel also. Okay, thank you guys, have a good day, bye.